always forget which screen. Let's see, this one. All right. Hey, everyone. Okay, so earlier I mentioned that we had a customer, Elliot, helped to make this possible, where we need to be able to apply model-specific roles. So just show that work here. There's a new parameter in the embed URL called model roles. We used to do the permissioning just with connection roles, and now I can add model roles. I've got this set up so it's going to be like an application mode where the user's actually able to create new analyses. So you can see I've added roles for a couple different models into this new parameter. I'll go ahead and generate an embed URL, and I copied that. We'll come over to another browser, so I'm not logged in as myself, as my admin user. And you can see I come in here, and now if I click new analysis, if I go to embed model 2, this one has the querier role, so you can see I'm able to browse all views. If instead I were to come create a new analysis on the other model that I granted access to, I'm a restricted querier, I can't do SQL queries. And then just to kind of show really what the customer is ultimately, in this case, looking for, and I would imagine in a lot of cases, would be that they really only want to grant access to one of the models, even though they're using dynamic extension models, and they don't want these extension models to show up. So they just want to grant access to one model. If you do that and we generate that embed URL and come back over here, you get like actually a much nicer flow, because when I click new analysis, there's only one model, so I don't actually have to select between different models. So that's that. Just sort of as the PSA for how this functions. Everything's backward compatible, so folks who are already using connection roles to specify permissions, whatever roles they've specified on a per connection basis will get fanned out to all of the shared models under those connections. But if they want to be able to target specific models, they can switch over to using the model roles. These things combine, so you could say like, hey, I want viewer for all the models under this connection, but for this one model under that connection, I want actually this user to have an elevated privilege of, for example, querier, restricted querier. Okay, so that's the new model roles parameter in embed. Kind of while